meeting. Who are the participants? Jail to bail, bail to cabinet. Revanth Reddy, Telangana Chief Minister. Before becoming Chief Minister on corruption charge, he was in jail. Now he is in bail. D.K. Shivakumar, Deputy Chief Minister, Karnataka, he was in jail and he is in bail. Kanimurali ji, A. Raja ji, Senthil Balaji ji, how many Chidambaram ji, Karti Chidambaram ji, all are jail or in bail. This is the Dravidian model governance of Tamil Nadu. One side, our Viswanayaka global leader Narendra Modi ji is ruling this country 24/7 in the service of the people, in the service of Bharat Mata, to become Atmanirbhar Bharat and Viksit Bharat. And this Chief Minister, Southern part, Kerala Chief Minister, total fail. This DMK friend, always the DMK Arasu, it is Dravidian model Arasu, they are saying. Ye Dravidian model name, Moolal Arasu, drug and ganja mafia Arasu, Gasmark liquor scam Arasu, Manav mafia Arasu, Wai Prachar Arasu, 3 languages defaming Arasu, and Katta Panchayati Gundaism Arasu, Polivapuruti Arasu. This is the Dravidian model Arasu, where no safety for women, without law and order. Tamil Nadu Kadadil, Mulgudu, Trimuka, Panatil, Midakkudu, all a growing ship. This is the Dravidian model. Annamalai ji, our dynamic leader, with the blessings of today is the Bhagat Singh's death anniversary, Shahid Divas, Sardar Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, spirit with his blessings, and our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi's blessing to all the leaders under the leadership of Annamalai ji, Kodi Kat Kumaran ji spirit, Velu Nachian spirit, this Punya Bhumi, Karma Bhumi, Siddha Bhumi spirit, definitely the DMK and the Congress government will be thrown out of power. Next, under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, Tamil Nadu, he has done Hanuman Hanmakkal Yatra, earlier Murugan ji done, Vel Yatra, so many leaders, our leaders are just now, Radha Krishnan ji told, Nanarji is sitting with united face, we will teach the lesson. I am concluding with 1 minute. I came to know Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji's photo and Annamalai ji's photo. The DMK mindset, small mindset Karyakartas put their photos on toilets. Their mindset, I am shameful for the Tamil Nadu culture. I am condemning the act of the DMK activists. You must apologize, Mr. Stalin. This is not the way. We are familiar about this cleansing the thing. The corruption government will be cleaned. Like, I don't want, because I am the cultured man. If I use those words, it doesn't look nice. I am condemning your mindset. You are deviating, you are provoking the Tamil Makkal towards the language issue, towards North-South issue, towards delimitation. Nothing will be happening. No state will be affected. Lakhs and lakhs of crore rupees towards development of Tamil Nadu, highways, airport, railways, you are getting. You are not seeing with your own eyes. The people of Tamil Nadu realize Tamil Makkal will give befitting reply to DMK and Congress people in this coming 2026 is ours, and we will form the government under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi ji, with the leadership of our Tamil Nadu BJP team, with the active support of our tiger-like Karyakartas who are facing, women like very enthusiastic women who are facing so many hardships and all illegal cases foisting by DMK government. But our time will come. 2026 is Bharatiya Janata Kutch NDA year. we are going to form this government. तामराई आची निश्चयम तामराई सेवये लक्ष्यम भारत माता की जय नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जय।